Hey guys, today we're going to look at this old PC that needed some cleanup and restoration. So I've cleaned pretty much the entire thing from top to bottom. And you'll notice, even looking through the side of the case here, the CPU doesn't have a fan or heatsink on it. And we're going to open up the case real quick, and you'll notice that the fan and heatsink actually fell completely off this. So this has been through some stuff, but basically we're just going to take a quick look at this and stuff. But and then get it cleaned up. I'm not actually going to clean the heatsink and put the Arctic Silver on in this video. I actually lost those clips. So I'm just going to give you a quick peek at this PC, and then we'll look at some screenshots. I still have some pictures of the Arctic Silver being applied and stuff like that. And then ultimately we'll show what we ended up doing with it. So we'll get to that part in just a bit. So this is going to be a relatively short video, almost 5 minutes, and that's about it. So, all right, so we're going to take a closer look here. And, yeah, these weren't the best shots. All right, so here's that's the CPU with the old thermal paste still on it. Here's our heat sink that fell off. Not a whole lot to look at here. I really wish I hadn't lost the good parts of this video. But yeah, that's pretty much it at the moment. I've already taken the RAM out of this, and yeah, so here's the CPU we just pulled out, and yeah, that's it. So basically we're gonna see what needs fixing, and yeah, there's a bad shot of the CPU that's not in focus, and you can see like my SATA cables and stuff. So here's a close-up of the CPU and the heatsink with thermal paste still on them, and here's a shot of yeah, more of the stuff I pulled out of it. Basically, there it was cleaned up. Here's the thermal paste we used. There's another shot of the thermal paste. So we used MX4, and there's new thermal paste on the CPU. There's a close-up of new thermal paste, and here it is already with the heatsink back on. There's our power supply. We actually took that all apart and put that in a separate video. Here we are running Minecraft on the cleaned up PC, so it's working pretty well. We got everything cleaned up. We actually cleaned like practically every inch of the entire case and the back of the system board and stuff. But that's it. So yeah, give us a thumbs up. So hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon. Definitely leave a comment down below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time.